A very good morning to all my dear kids. I hope that all of you are doing very well. So my dear children, in the previous video of value education, we did few questions of back exercise, and in today's video we are going to continue with the same. So I request you all to please open up page number 36 of your value education books. Now please keep the pencil and erasers ready in your hands. So children, we will be starting with the back exercise now. So the part now we are going to do time for a reality check. So the question is, number the sentences in correct order to form a story. So jumbled sentences have been given to you all. Okay, so you have to arrange them in the correct order to make a meaningful story. So the first sentence is, he saw a bunch of grapes. He gave up and got nothing to eat. There was once a hungry fox. He wasn't able to reach the grapes. He tried to jump up and catch them. So children, which story is this? Any guesses? Yes, it is the story of the fox and the grapes. So let's order them first. So first of all, there was a hungry fox. Please put number 1 in front of this statement. Then the fox saw a bunch of grapes. Please put number 2 in front of the statement. Then what he did, he saw a bunch of grapes and then he tried to jump up and catch them. Okay, when he tried to jump up and catch them, he wasn't able to reach the grapes. Okay, and then when he tried once or twice, and when he was not able to reach the grapes, he gave up and got nothing to eat. And he said that the grapes are sour because he wasn't able to reach the grapes. Okay, so what excuse did he give to himself? That let's leave eating the grapes. These are sour grapes. So children, what do you think the fox should have done? Should he give up so easily? Should he give up so easily? No. If he would have tried some more time, he must have got the grapes. Okay. So, as I told you earlier also that we should try and try many times, then only we will be able to get the success. Okay. So, if the fox would have tried, he also must have got the success. Now, let's come over to the next part. It is the diary, filling the diary that we do always after the end of every chapter using the given words. So the words are given to you. Now first of all, fill the date. The date is 30th of January 30.1.21. Then today I learned that I must dash give up. I must never give up. Please write it down, everyone. I have decided to dash from my mistake. What do we do from our mistake? We always learn from our mistakes. If I keep dash, I will dash. If I keep trying, I will succeed. So please write it down, everyone. Now let's proceed to another question. The another question is your time. The next question, your time, in which you have been given with the situation and you have to you have to take the correct answer. So what will you do in the given situations? Take the correct answer. The first situation is you want to learn your favorite song. You try many times but you cannot get the tune. What will you do? When we want to learn our favorite songs, many time it happens that we are not able to get the tune in the first time. Then what we do? Keep practicing till you can sing the song properly, or get discouraged and give up. आप हार मान जाओगे और गिव अप कर लोगे, या फिर आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहोगे टिल यू कैन सिंग द सॉन्ग प्रॉपरली. So my dear kids, as I told you that we should never ever give up. Okay, so we should keep practicing, okay, till we get the success. So please take the first option. Now the second one is you are trying to solve a maths puzzle. Every time you try, you get a wrong answer. What will you do? Whenever we solve the puzzle, we don't get the correct, solved puzzle in the first time. So what we do? We should give up and ask your father to solve it for you, or you should keep trying till you get the correct answer. Of course, my dear kids, we should keep trying till we get the correct answer. So please put a tick in front of this statement. So my dear kids, that is all about today's video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home.